In this video, I'll show you how to customize your Slack profile and status step by step. First, open Slack and log into your account. Once you are inside the workspace, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. From the menu, select View Profile to access your profile settings. Next, click Edit Profile to customize your personal information. Here, you can change your profile photo, display name, and add details such as your job title or contact information. After updating your profile information, click Save to apply the changes. Now, to customize your status, click on your profile picture again. Select Update Status from the menu. Enter a short status message to let others know your availability or what you are working on. You can also choose an emoji and set a time for the status to automatically clear. Click Save to confirm your status update. Your profile and status will now be visible to others in your Slack workspace.